Yourself some and get me a pair too.
How will I know what fits you?
Stupid girl, my feet are the same as yours.
Your feet are a lot older than mine. Maybe they
change.
stretch.
But some things stay the same. You can't change the nature.
Hey, mister! You got a moment?
Yeah, sure. What's going on?
Do you think this shirt is too tight? That will teach you to be a pro. Run, Gibson, run!
A man who never eats pork.
But 寂寞当年。
car is crap!
Let me fix my car up. Then I'll take you. Easy.
Fine. It's your funeral. Not much. You? How's your dad? That's something to keep your head fresh, all right? Coming out soon? I'll tell you about it later.
Second, huh?
I still own it. Hey, you know this guy Wei Shin? Supposed to be Sun On Yi?
Every time I turn around, that guy shows up. And usually the cops aren't far behind.
Started racing the other day. Talking tough. You think he's a rat?
Or undercover. They had a problem with that a little while back. You think they kill a cop and the police just go away?
Sun On Yi's in trouble if he is.
18K, what do I care? But if I was you, I wouldn't let them see you do anything and walk away.
This town is full of morons, Naz. It's up to me to put them into place.
Yeah? Why?
Punk by the name of Ace, talking a lot of trash. Now the fool actually wants to race.
No accounting for people's intelligence these days. You gonna take him out?
Uh-huh. Motherfucker won't know what hit him. Telling people he's gonna take me down?
What?
Don't worry. If he races me, they'll be scraping him off the pavement in sticky little pieces.
Looks like you have little choice, huh?
Yes.
Inspector, it's Wei. Hotshot's gonna race Ace, and he's talking like he's not gonna let Ace make it to the finish line alive.
Do you know where and when?
Not yet. And one other thing. Hotshot and his friend Nas suspect I'm a cop.
Naz Singh, the drug smuggler?
You know him?
Yeah, I know him. He's an informant for HKPD. He's the one that put us on to Hotshot in the first place.
Fucking guy is playing both sides of the game.
You want me to tell him to shut up?
No! I agreed to help you, Inspector, but not if it gets me killed. Do everything you can to keep my cover intact. I'll deal with Nas myself.
All right, Wei, all right. For now, let me know if you find out anything about that race.
Watch it! You could hurt somebody.
My curry fish balls will blow your mind!
You have a car in here? Here.
You see, my car's having a problem, and you look like you might be able to fix it.
See you later, book guy. 我快過嚟啦，屌！You won't catch me, asshole. 好痛啊 Give it up. See you later, book guy. Sorry. Don't hurt me. 我個拳頭我自己都驚啊！喂，放開我啊，撚樣！我殺死你啊！
So, how's business?
Not very good. Sales are way down. My shirts are just too boring. Hey, could you help me get some new design? I want to do a landscape series, really capture what's cool about the city.
Yeah, sure.
Get me a couple of classic shots. Email them over when you have them.
Got it. This will look good. Finally. Hey, yeah, you! Hey, get the hell out of the way.
Sorry, I just can't resist the camera.
That's it, asshole!
Out from Cinematic Orchestra on Ninja Tune Radio, followed by One Track Mind by Electronic Beats Maestro.
打出嚟啊！睇你點走！
快啲放開我！
放手！
我殺死你啊！冇理我啦！
The suspect. They need him in one piece and able to talk.
呢鋪一定好玩啊！喂，俾佢見識下我哋啲嘢。
him in custody.
Tender and flaky, always good.
Sounds good.
You like? Hey, thank you. Enjoy.
That's a cool story.
Nice supple fish. Very fun.
發雞盲㗎，識唔識揸車啊你？
咁大條路都鏟上嚟，啲猛冇嚟㗎。
Hey, what can I do for you?
Hey, 歡迎啊，young man。
啲翻嚟啊
May I
嘛。
offer you some tea? 最怕人。大翻馬嗰度。
Why don't you date a man with a good job? Like a banker.
This guy wants in, he's gonna have to show me some blood on his hands.
You show your true colors tonight, brother.
You are an officer of the law.
Date a man with a good job. Like a banker.
Men like that only date girls who wear Bruno jeans.
Mr. Hui told me there was an explosion at Good Fortune Manufacturing.
More fighting between.
Do you have a car in here? Oh, I wish I could live your life. Just for one day.
Hello?
Wait! The Knox Security Company has refused to pay protection money. If you see their vans, hijack them and bring them to one of our garages.
Sounds good. I'll grab them if I see them.
Were you in here?
I rather not talk about it.
I'm this weird rat.
'New, I hear you say. There is now, coming up next on Walk Radio, yes, you guessed it, anything new from Bibio, followed by the psychedelic tricky track called Ancestors from Gonja Sufi, rounded off with Gangbang by Flying Lotus.
I found one of your statues.
Sheep. This is good. Did you enjoy your time in the States?
It was all right.
To have two homes is to have two souls. So they say.
What if you never feel at home anywhere?
Then I think you must guard your soul carefully, so as not to lose it. What would you like to learn? I'm ashamed to call myself your teacher. Your failure is truly breathtaking.
有冇聽過老馬有火啊？
Faster! Harder! I'm embarrassed for you.
呢款幾好啊！
My shame at your performance. Please stop by again if you find one of my statues.
我今日你搞錯咗啊！乜嘢啊？舊機咪開拖咯！有冇新鐵狗？打開新鐵狗啊！
我明白。
Who's he talking to?
It's the 大佬 man, it's the chairman. 我明白㗎啦，我馬上到。喂 you're coming with me. Looks like you're gonna meet Uncle Po. The rest of you, wait here. Don't do anything until you hear from me.
What's going on?
You are staying here like I told you. And you are shutting the fuck up! Got it?
Yeah, boss. Of course.
Good. Let's go.
You worried?
You're pissed off the wrong people.
Look, at least we kept Siwa alive.
Yeah, that may be just what saves us. I'm gonna bump Uncle Po's cut. Hoping that does it. It's not fair, you know? Look what I built. The night market. All of North Point, really. And Dog Eyes gets greedy. What was I supposed to do, huh, Lee? I mean, what's hang up?
Just what you did. Look, you can't back down from that asshole.
You and him got history, huh? Well, me too. Listen, Ray. Anything happens to me, you look after our people, okay? We're a family. Family has to stick together. Duke, Conroy, they're good guys. But they're not gonna be leaders. I know Conroy gives you shit. You've proven yourself now. And he'll see it. Even if he doesn't want to admit it. Do me a favor. Look after Peggy and my mom, too. This can be rough business. But one thing we got going for us is each other. Brothers, you know. I know people use that word a lot, but it means something to me. And it should to you too. Not just that we're son on ye. True brothers. Blood. We look after each other. And we look after the people we love.
Okay, Winston. Siwa told me he really works for Big Smiley, not Dog Eyes. I keep hearing his name.
Big Smiley is backing Dog Eyes, sure. That's where he gets the balls to come after me. Lee has a lot of power. Along with drugs, he's into prostitution, porn. He even sells women across the border into the rest of Asia. Whole thing is run like an industry. Very sleazy, but big money.
Winston, we can't just walk in there, not if it's as bad as you say.
Don't have a lot of choice. It's the way it's done, Wei. Besides, you can't hide from Uncle Po. You want you dead, you're dead. And I'd rather see it coming, you know? You should be okay. But if I get my ass shot, do not do anything stupid, you hear me?
Okay.
Who gives a shit?
Fuck off, Johnny. Hey, Winston. What's wrong? You look a little pale, man. Dog Eyes tells me you've been throwing your weight around. What happened? You guys used to be tight as shit.
Is he here?
Nah, he left a while ago. Without a scratch. Doesn't bode so well for the other parties involved. Go right in. Have fun.
Uncle Po. Ah, Winston. Come in. Sit down. Have some tea. And you, young man, must be Wei. Winston speaks very highly of you.
Winston has been a good friend to me. I've tried to do right by him.
I like the way you think. That's the attitude that makes us strong. Loyalty, discretion. Used to be more common. Winston says you're the one who made sure Siwa was not arrested.
No, it was Winston's idea. He had to assert himself. Assert his position. But he didn't want to inconvenience you in the process.
Did he now? In any case, you did well. I want to show you my gratitude.
Uncle Po, there's really no need.
Don't argue with me. Do you know Roland Ho? He has a business collecting debts. The other day, he told me that he could use some help. It's quite lucrative, you know. Tell him I sent you. Winston won't mind in the slightest. Will you?
Thank you, Uncle.
Winston, relax. I know you were provoked.
God damn it. I bet $1,000 I was going to be carrying you out in a fucking body bag. Uncle Po must like you.
Yeah, I don't think he has an opinion on me either way.
All right. I tell you what, you get tired of spinning your wheels in the night market, give me a call. There's more to this business than strong-arming street vendors.
Ricky. Your name's Ricky, right? I appreciate the offer. Let me think about it and I'll get back to you.
Take the car across the street. Give you a chance to see what it's like to be in the big time.
Yeah, you alright?
Uh-huh. Things are gonna be okay. There's gonna be work to do. A lot of work. Stay ready.
I always am.
Look, in the meantime, I'm getting swamped with this wedding crap. I'm gonna need your help on a couple of things.
Yeah?
Yeah. I tell you, it's easier to be a Red Bull than a groom. Let's stop by the restaurant when you're done there, okay?
Got it.
Hey, Roland Ho?
Who's asking?
My name's Wei Shen.
Ah, Wei. You got friends in high places, my boy. I hear you and Winston have been making trouble with Dog Eyes.
Dog Eyes has been asking for trouble.
I remember when I was like you, always looking for a fight, ready to kill anyone who so much as looked at me sideways. Here's a tip for you, kid. Don't take on a boss in your own triad unless you know for a fact someone else is gonna back you up. Hierarchy is the only thing anyone cares about. Always have, always will.
Thanks for the advice, old-timer. So, when can we get to work?
Okay, big man. 我睇你點做. Patsy Wing. Bad luck at Mahjong. You'll need this. Collect what she owes.
kind of intense. Wanted to make sure you're still with us, you know?
Well, Uncle Po seems to have a handle on who's causing the trouble.
That's a relief.
Look, I gotta go, Jackie. Gotta see a lady about some money. You're gonna pay up, you understand? Shit, that's a lot of muscle. That's the problem. You old guy like rolling home money, you gotta pay.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
I don't care if you're sorry. I care if you have the money.
I know, I'm sorry.
Hey, stop saying that.
Sorry.
Look.
The car. Who has drugs in the back? That should cover my debt. Don't hurt me. I'm sorry.
Damn. Wasn't gonna do anything that bad.
Got the money?
No. Next best thing, though. Got a car loaded with dope.
All right. What I have to do, bring it back here as soon as you can. Don't drive around in a stash car any longer than you have to.
Raymond.
Shen, finally. Where the hell have you been?
Look,
Do you have any idea what's going on? What happened at the warehouse?
Raymond, do you ever actually read my reports?
Your reports? All I have to do is read the goddamn newspapers. They're calling it a massacre. If it ever came out that the police were involved, we're dead.
It won't.
Well, you can't know that. You at least could have turned Siwa over to us. It would have helped our case.
That would have put the entire operation at risk. What does Pendrew say?
You know, he's not your handle, Wei. I am.
Well, then fucking handle it, Raymond. Well, how'd you think this was gonna go down? Huh? Whatever it takes. You remember that? You wanted results, and you can't get them sitting behind a desk, nose in a rulebook, with a stick up your ass. Look, Raymond, I am doing what needs to be done.
No, you've crossed the line, Wayne. I'm gonna terminate this operation.
You can't do that. Pendrew won't allow it.
Pendrew may like to take chances, I don't. And you are dangerous.
Fine. But before you go back to your office to try and pull the plug, go ahead and tell Pendrew that I just met the chairman of the Sun On Yee.
The chairman? Wait, you're just a foot soldier.
Well, this foot soldier has just been marked for promotion because I made sure Suwal got out safely. It'll be in my report, and maybe this time you'll actually read it.
You sent her.
That was Chung. He borrowed my phone.
What kind of idiot do you think I am?